Alright guys, Doris Diner here in Cacapon, West Virginia. Cacapon, who knows? Got some good breakfast sandwiches, hot coffee. Me and Koty getting started on the trail this morning. Sausage, egg, and cheese, and a hot coffee. Now if you guys can see it or not, there's a big C-130 I think banking straight ahead there. Might be hard to see on the camera. We're headed to Harpers Ferry, not too far out right now, BDR. Yeah.
We want to take out, huh?
I think so, probably. It's on the map.
I can see it. It's right up here.
Okay. That close, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm assuming they circled something in those triangles. I don't really know what.
Yeah, they did. So what we're going to do is go up across this intersection and go around to it and then back down to another waypoint and then back up there where we just turn left.
Okay.
And then we'll go straight.
Okay. Okay. Look at, dude, look at all these old houses. How close they got them. Wow. This is neat, man.
And I wonder if this is like the old town.
I guarantee you. That old red rock house. They fixing it?
Pete's Restaurant Bar.
Yep.
Alright, so this is an intersection. We'll be coming back through here in a minute.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah, around this way.
Yeah. Yes, right there.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Oh, so here's the Antietam National Battlefield.
You see it on the map?
I seen the sign right there.
Some of the gray goes left here. We keep going straight and come back around.
Yeah, we'll go straight.
Okay. Guarantee you them old rock walls is old. Here's probably some pretty important stuff. Antietam National Cemetery right here.
Oh wow.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Probably should stop right there, huh? Oh yeah. Stop right here.
Yeah, we probably can. I guess you could park.
Yeah.
On the sidewalk, maybe, or on the side.
Let's turn around.
Okay.
So we
park on the other side there.
Yeah.
Now this goes on around as well, right?
Yeah, we'll go around. Look at this.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So it'll set up right.
Yeah. We need to get on the other side. See what I'm saying? Pull up there to the
thing, the actual thing. Yeah, we can do that.
I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. Take a little picture.
And then I can tell you what those dots are.
Yeah. So that fella found his memorial he was looking for.
So what we're going around to is the actual battlefield.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
15th.
It talks about on the banks of it. Maybe it's this that runs across here. Maybe.
Maybe.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh, here's about South Carolina. Oh yeah. Yeah. And this was what, the single most dead in one day, wasn't it? Look at that old tree was here during that.
So the creek's right down here in the hole, I guess.
Yeah, we're gonna take a ride at it.
Okay.
We'll ride up the creek. I think this is Antietam, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Antietam Creek. Yep. And there's like a little. This is actually like a little picnic area or something here.
Oh, that's Harpers Ferry Road.
Hey, that's a hard ride, ain't it?
Well, I was looking at my damn GPS about Harpers Ferry Road.
Okay. Right by that creek, man. It's a lot of history right there.
Damn, that's a Antietam Creek. That thing's huge.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
So the Confederates had to cross that?
Yeah.
Back on it?
Yeah, you're right, brother. On the Potomac. Yeah, I guarantee you could fish that all day and catch everything you wanted. No boats allowed or something, reckon? Maybe in this area?
I don't. There's like these rapids right here. Ain't no way you get a boat over that.
That's true.
Probably kayaking, maybe.
Yeah.
See right there?
Yeah.
Shallow.
Yeah, it is.
Especially right there.
Yeah, that's just rocks, ain't it? It's probably where them horses went across. Look at that, man, that old building. Old fort they built or something, maybe.
Got some pedestrians in the road.
Yeah.
Wow.
On the stilts, boy, ain't it? I guess they don't want it to flood, or they wanted to see out over the river.
Well, almost up there, kinda.
Yeah, it could be a floodplain, you know. You can tell it gets up. Like, look right on the left of where you ride, and you see all that brush.
Yeah.
Few too many days of rain, and there it is, huh?
Yeah. Hot.
When you see what I got this up. We got too many layers on, Cody. We'll be climbing them hills here in a minute. Look at the barbershop. Go in there and get our ears lowered.